Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are super excited for you to be here. We're gonna make eggs, new eggs, in the Instant Pot. First, we're gonna need 1 cup of water.
Okay, now put this one. This one is even. Yeah, that's fine. And now you can start putting the eggs, Nico.
We are going to make boiling eggs.
Don't drop them, just put them very softly in the bottom. We don't want them to break. Okay. How many are we putting today?
We're putting 14 of them in.
Okay. You will have them for the whole week.
You can have it in breakfast or snacks.
We're gonna close the Instant Pot and we're just gonna pressure cook for 1 minute. Let me help you to close it, Nico. Has to be on ceiling, and then put pressure for 1 minute, please. In here you can change it. In here, let's see, it has 10, put down to 1. 1 is enough for us, and leave it alone. Don't touch it anymore.
We'll see you when the 1 minute is done. Tip time. You know the Instant Pot is way better than the stove because it's like so easy to peel when it's done. You gotta peel it in the middle and take it out easily. Our mom makes bean soup. Also, homemade yogurt only takes 8 hours to make. It's really good if you make it at nighttime when you're sleeping for the hours pass fast.
This is the one I use when we make yogurt.
We also make some homemade caramel.
It's dulce de leche with condensed milk. Very easy to make. We will make them to show them later. It lasts about 15 minutes to get pressure inside the pot, and then it starts the countdown.
Now we're gonna get ice.
You're gonna have ready some ice in a bowl. Okay, that's it. Can you put some water, please, on top? That's enough. When the eggs come out, you guys give them a nice cold bath water, okay? That way we can peel them faster and very easy.
When the eggs are done, you let it rest for like 1 minute more.
You can tell the letter L, and also because it will start beep beep.
And because there's a 0. Now we're gonna take this boiled egg out and put it here.
And give it a nice bath. We have to do it a little bit quicker because otherwise they're gonna keep cooking. Then that's why we need to move it fast to the ice bowl.
Yeah. And if it cracks, it's okay.
Yeah, if it's a little crack, it's alright.
In addition, we're gonna mix them up a little bit and then we're gonna leave them for 5 minutes. Don't crack them. Besides, we're gonna put this into where all the water can get out.
Can you do it closer with your hand? Put 1 egg at a time with the hand and put 1 by 1 to dry.
Now we're gonna dry each egg and we're gonna put a B for boil, for we don't get confused.
Try them first, otherwise the marker won't work. Why did you put a B or any kind of mark?
So we know that it's boiled.
Are you gonna use them for the snacks, for the school, or for what?
For snacks and maybe for school.
And for breakfast, that way they're ready every time. You know, when mommy or daddy are working, you can just go and have an egg with maybe a piece of bread and some fruit.
Sometimes my mom writes messages like, I love you, for us. Finally, they're ready. But before we put them in the fridge, we're gonna try one. first we're gonna need to peel it.
Go to the table.
Violet, come and eat one. Hey, one egg.
How do you peel them, Nicolas?
You peel them with your thumb.
Oh.
So easy. Now,
How do they come out? Show me.
like this.
Very easy, right? You do it, Valentina.
Now you can put salt and pepper. Yeah. Question of the day. Do you like boiled eggs? Tell us in the comments. Enjoyed our video? Please go watch our other cooking recipes.